bleak midwinter, icy wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow on snow had fallen, snow on snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long and long ago. Angels and archangels may have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim rising in the air. Oh, but only Mary in her maiden bliss worship the beloved with a mother's kiss. Cannot hold him, nor can earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall fall away when he comes to reign. What then can I give him, empty as I am? If I were a shepherd, I would bring a lamb. If I were a wise man, I would know my heart. What then can I give him? I must give my heart. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, for old lang syne, should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? We two have a run about the hills and gathered up flowers fine. We've wandered many a way since old lang syne. We two have sported in the brook from morning sun till night, but the seas between us have roared and swelled since old